Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this video, we are going to discuss more about factoring quadratic expressions. And I made this video for for my students who were not able to attend the class because of the uh, pandemic, okay, or pandemic situation. All right, so factoring quadratic expressions. So last week we discussed some basics uh, questions or some basic quadratic expressions. Now let us continue with the other examples of quadratic expressions and how to factor it. Now, okay, let me give some examples. We have, for example, we have x squared minus 9. Okay, so this expression is, we call it quadratic expressions also because the highest degree or the highest exponent is 2. Okay, and of course we have the constant term. All right, so to factor this, we can notice that both of them are perfect square numbers or perfect square terms. So we have x and then x on the other side or the other set of parentheses. Now this negative 9, okay, to factor it should be one positive and one negative. And this 9 is, we call it a perfect square number. So we have 3 and negative 3. Now when we say perfect square numbers, okay, perfect square numbers. So the examples are, for example, 1 power of 2 or 1 square is 1. We have 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16, and so on. Okay, so these are some examples of perfect square numbers. Okay, so this kind of expression or quadratic expression, both terms should be perfect square unit or numbers. If not, then if not, then it cannot be factored, but still quadratic expression. Okay. Next. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Number 2. Okay. Another example. Okay. X squared minus 25. Okay. Prepare two sets of parentheses. So we have x and then x. So negative 25, one positive, one negative. So we have 5 and negative 5. And that's it. Another question, number 3. M squared minus 16. Okay, so m plus, okay, this is perfect square number. So positive 4, m minus 4. Okay, so I hope you understand this kind of questions or expressions or how to factor it. Now, another one is, okay, let's say number 4. Oops, sorry. I don't have mouse. Okay, number 4. How about this one? Okay, we have 25 x squared minus 64. Okay, so the factor of 25 with the same number or yeah, same base. So we have 5 times 5, right? And then x squared, so 5x plus, okay, 64, okay, can be 8 because 8 squared or 8 times 8 is 64. So we have 5x minus 8. Okay. And number 5. And we have 9x squared minus 4y squared. All right, so we have 3x plus Okay, factor of 4 with perfect base. We have 2 because 2 power of 2 is 4. And then y. Okay, because we have y squared. And then just make it negative. Okay, and that's the answer. Then if you want to check the answer, or if you want to check your answer, you can expand. Okay, you can multiply them. And we discussed that already, right? How to expand this kind of expressions. Now, another kind of quadratic, okay, expressions, okay, to be factored. For example, we have 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Okay, so first step, you have to multiply the first term and or the numerical coefficient of the first term and the last term or the constant number. So we have 2 times 2 is 4. Now we have to think what are the factors of 4 that when we apply addition, it will be equal to positive 5. So obviously we have 4 times 1 because when we apply addition, okay, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so let's answer this. So we have 2x squared plus, okay, let us use these two numbers. We have 4x plus x. 4x plus x is 5x, okay? Plus, okay, 2. Okay, I just copy it. And then the next one, group them into two groups. Okay? So the common factors of 2x squared and 4x is 2x. Okay, so I hope you can remember how to factor this kind of expressions. So 2x, okay, we have x plus 2. Okay? 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x plus factors or common factor of x and 2 is 1 and then x plus 2. So notice that we have the same x plus 2 here. So our final answer, okay, 2x plus 1 and then copy this one, x plus 2. And that's our final answer. Okay, next one, number 7. Another example. Okay, number 7, we have, okay, let's try with the negative. We have 4x squared plus 3x minus 7. Okay, so let us multiply 4 and 7 or negative 7. 4 times negative 7 is equal to negative 28. Now let us think the factors of negative 28 that when we apply addition, it will be equal to positive 3. Okay, so the factors of negative 28. Okay, let us use 4 and 7. So 4 times 7 is positive 28. Okay. Now, since this is negative, so one of them must be negative also. Okay. Let's say negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. And then negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. All right. Now let us apply addition. Okay, negative 4 plus 7 is positive 3. And positive 4 plus negative 7 is negative 3. Okay, so since our second term is positive 3, so we will use negative 4 and positive 7. Okay, so let us, okay, I will just move it up. Okay. So the question is, we have 4x squared plus, okay, let us use this, okay, negative 4x plus, okay, 7x minus 7. Okay. Then group them again into two groups. Okay. So the common factors of 4x squared and negative, what do you call, oh, sorry, this is not plus. Okay, minus 4x. Okay, 4x squared minus 4x. So we have 4x, okay? Then we have x, what do you call this? Plus, okay, no, not plus. Okay, minus 1, all right? Then the next one, okay, common factors of 7 and negative 7. So we have 7 also, so plus 7. And then x minus 1. Okay, minus 1 because 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Okay, so both have x minus 1. So our final answer is 4x plus 7 times quantity x minus 1. And that is our final answer. Okay, so what if this is not the proper arrangement that you made? Okay, for example, your arrangement is 4x squared plus 7x. Okay, let's make it clear. Plus 7x minus 4x, okay, minus 7. Okay, so what if, okay, you made this kind of arrangement, not the one that, not like the first one. So let's see if we can have the same answer. Okay, divide them into two groups. So the common factor of 4x squared plus 7x is only x. Okay, so we have 4x plus 7, right? Then we have minus common factor of 4x and negative 7 is 1. Then we have 4x plus 7. Why plus 7? Because negative 1 times positive 7 is negative 7. Okay? So our answer here, x minus 1 times quantity 4x plus 7. And we can see that we have the same answer. Okay, so that will be no problem if you have written it on the other way of arrangement of the quadratic expressions. Okay, so I hope you understand the lesson. So thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone. This is Konkru TV. God bless you all.